Welcome back to O-Level Oasis, your trusted companion on the journey to mastering the O-Level Biology 5090 syllabus. Ready to dive back in? Let's keep the momentum going. Today, we're picking up exactly where we left off on plant nutrition. With Unit 6.1 behind us, we're ready to move forward into Unit 6.2 with a fresh mindset and full focus. No more delays, let's jump right in. Here's what the syllabus outlines under the topic leaf structure. That means Unit 6.2 is all about the plant leaf, its structure, and its functions. We've all seen leaves before, but today, we're taking a deeper dive into the fascinating world inside a leaf. Let's explore. Specification number 1 states, most leaves have a large surface area and are thin. We'll also explore how these features make them well adapted for carrying out photosynthesis efficiently. These structural features aren't just by chance, they're perfect adaptations. A large surface area allows more light to be absorbed, and being thin means gases like carbon dioxide can diffuse quickly to where they're needed for photosynthesis. Simple yet incredibly effective design by nature. So, leaves play a vital role in photosynthesis, which is the process plants use to make their own food. They are specifically adapted for this purpose in several ways. First, their broad and flat shape increases the surface area, allowing them to absorb as much sunlight as possible, which is essential for photosynthesis. In addition to capturing light, leaves also help with the transport of materials. Water is brought into the leaf through veins, and the sugars produced during photosynthesis are then distributed to the rest of the plant. These veins also provide support, helping the leaf maintain its structure. Finally, the underside of the leaf contains tiny pores called stomata. These openings allow gases to move in and out, like carbon dioxide enters the leaf for photosynthesis, and oxygen, which is a byproduct, exits. This efficient gas exchange is crucial for the photosynthetic process to work effectively. Let's explore the structure of a leaf and how it's adapted for photosynthesis. Leaves are specialized plant organs designed mainly for one purpose, to carry out photosynthesis. Their structure is carefully adapted to make this process as efficient as possible. One of the key features of a leaf is its large surface area, which allows it to absorb as much sunlight as possible. Another important adaptation is that leaves are thin, which helps gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen to diffuse quickly in and out of the leaf. These two features, a broad surface and thin structure, work together to maximize photosynthesis. When we look at the detailed structure of a leaf, each part has a specific role. The leaf apex, or tip, is the pointed end of the leaf. Surrounding the leaf is the leaf margin, which can vary in shape depending on the plant species. It might be smooth, toothed, or wavy. Inside the leaf, you'll see a network of veins, which transport water to the leaf cells and carry away the food produced during photosynthesis. The thick central vein running through the middle is called the midvein or midrib, which not only aids in transport but also provides support to keep the leaf firm and extended. The leaf blade, also known as the leaf lamina, is the wide, flat part where most of the photosynthesis takes place. It contains many chloroplasts, the structures that capture light energy. The petiole is the stalk that attaches the leaf to the stem of the plant, allowing nutrients and water to travel between the leaf and the rest of the plant. At the base of the petiole, there are often small, leaf-like structures called stipules, and the leaf base is the point where the leaf connects to the stem. Together, all these parts form a highly efficient system, allowing the leaf to absorb light, exchange gases, and carry out photosynthesis effectively, keeping the plant alive and growing.